Welcome to the app, Cutting Polygons. The main goal of this app is the calculation of areas. Let's start with this shape and see what we can do with it. So with this button on the left, we can drag it. As you saw, when we let go, it snapped to the grid. Now, if we don't want this, we can uncheck Snap to Grid, and now we can drag the shape freely. We can also uncheck Show Grid, and now the grid is hidden. Let's bring back the grid and snapping to the grid. Now, let's click on the rotation mode and click on the shape. And the shape rotates clockwise until one of the sides is horizontal or vertical. So let's click again, and as we see, this side is horizontal. Okay, click again. Next, we have the tool for flipping the shape. Let's click it. And flip the shape, and the shape flipped. Now, let's drag the shape again and snap it to the grid. The next tool we have enables us to create a new shape. So we click it. Now we mark the vertices of the shape. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to the first vertex to finish. Now to erase the shape, we just simply drag it out of the screen and let go. Let's go ahead and erase this one as well. And of course, when there are no shapes on the screen, the only thing we can do is create a new shape. This is what we get when we open a new page. Now, let's go ahead and just click Undo Last Operation to get our shape back. And here it is. Now, we'll move to the tool that is the essence of the app, the cutting tool. So let's click it. Now, let's go ahead and click a point on the grid and another one. Click again, and the shape is cut. We can now separate the piece we cut. Okay, let's cut again. Click the scissors. We can click here, and again, and we cut off another triangle. Let's click rotation. Now, let's click flip and flip the shape. Now, we'll drag it to the other triangle. Now, we can glue the two shapes together. Let's go ahead and click the glue button. Click the line that separates the two triangles, and they're now glued together or combined. Let's click the Show Area button and click the square. And we can now see its area here. We can drag this label wherever we want. And the last tool can show us angles of the shape. So let's drag from this button and see the symbol of an angle will turn into a number whenever we're close to an angle. Let's create another triangle. And take another angle. And here we see it's 63 degrees. Now with the colors, we can color the sides. We can also cut in the line that's not straight. Let's click the scissors and click here, and here, and here, and now again, and the shape is cut. Now with the magnifying glass buttons, we can change the size of the grid. Let's move on to the next page. And here we see a convenient way to use the app and explain the calculation for the area of a parallelogram. So we'll go ahead and click the scissors and cut from here to here. And click again, and we'll take this triangle and put it over here. So now we have transformed the parallelogram into a rectangle where it's easy to calculate its area. Let's go ahead and color this side orange and this side purple. So the area of the rectangle is 5 times 3. Let's move to drag, and just drag this triangle back here. And now this purple line represents the height of the parallelogram. So we understand that to calculate the area of a parallelogram, we multiply one of the sides times its height. And that's it. These are the tools of the app and one important example where they can be used. We hope you enjoyed in class. Thanks for watching.